Hey guys, it's Thursday, June the 27th. Well, this week has flown by, hasn't it? Hope everybody's doing good, having a good trading week. Let's go ahead and get the advertisements out of the way. This is for trading education purposes only. Please trade with only money that you can afford to lose. Trading Forex currencies is risky. You can lose some or all your money. Do your due diligence and research, and do not follow anybody blindly, and that includes me. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get to the first up is the pound dollar. It made a buy and it ran away. It came down. The low here was 26.12 and that low was 25. So that was that's wrong. 126.12 and 25. That's 13, about 16 pip risk right there, which mine is 30 or less, including the spread. And I take these when it happens. If this had just run up, say this didn't happen right here, and it just continued up, then I'd have to wait for a pullback somewhere down in here to get in to go long. So that's the one that I'm in, because this is what I look for. A little run up, starts to run away, then it comes back, gives you a low risk trade. Like I said, that is right there. $15 risk is all that is. Taking off half the position, and the other half is at break even, and I gotta have a push up before I can move my stop up. So the second half is not going to lose anything, and I've got $35 off of that. The pound dollar. The Aussie dollar, I'm not in. It's in a sale. I'm not in that trade. That was your opportunities to get in right there, those two. This one was too far away. That high is 66.72. No, it wasn't either. I'd say 66.88, 66.72. No, it was 19 pips. How come I didn't take that? I should have took that. Oh well, I can't win them all. I can't get them all. Pound CAD. Look, see that candle right there off of news a couple of days ago on Wednesday? We have stayed within that candle. Not taking out the high, not taking out the low. That is nothing to trade. See, there's nothing to trade. It stayed within that candle. It does have a sell set up right now, but it's not the kind of setup that I want because it's trying to push back up here. So nothing to do on the pound CAD. Pound yen, I'm only taking sales. It does have a 1 hour sale, but my setup is not there just yet. And I got a feeling that's probably, oh yeah, for those of you who don't know, we have our debate for the two presidents that'll be running tonight here in the U.S. I think it's at 9 o'clock Eastern time. So I don't know what that's going to do to the market. Maybe nothing. But there's nothing to do on the pound yen yet. Euro New Zealand. Making a 1 hour sale, but there's still got 2 more minutes for the candle ends. Then it's still got to do my setup, so there's nothing to do on here. The Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, same thing. It did make a sale. There was 1 opportunity, 2 opportunities, but it looks like it's trying to push up a little bit higher. I'm going to keep an eye on this for a possible sell if we make a turn down. And then let's see. The high of that candle, unless the next one makes a little bit higher high, that would be the stop if there makes a down candle. Nothing to do there yet on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen made a 1 hour sale signal, but has run away. I'm only looking for sales anyway. It's got to push back up before I'll take a sale, so there's nothing to do there right now. Euro Aussie, it made a buy. That was your only opportunities right there to get in, but I like for it to run up some and then come back. The low of that candle is 59.96, and 24.28, $32 risk. I didn't take this one. I probably could have because it did work. It was within my parameters, 30 pips plus the spread, and that was 32, so it would have worked. I already took it out half the position. I can't win them all. Euro CAD, it's done it in absolute. I mean, it's made a buy, but again, it's made that news candle and took it out a little bit. But really nothing to do there right now. There's a flush down right there. That's going to get filled in. So that would be up somewhere up in here. So that could be where the Euro CAD is going. It's heading up there. So if you did take this trade on the Euro CAD, this has to be your stop right there. This one doesn't have to be. That one doesn't have to be. But this one does have to be. That candle low. And a candle low is 46.18, and we're trading at 68, so that's a $54 risk. It's too great for me. It would have to pull back somewhere down in here to make the risk lower. So for me, there's nothing to do, and watch is probably going to run away and come up to there. Pound Aussie did the same thing. That was your only spot. It ran away. Need a pullback on that to be able to get in long. Nothing to do there just yet on the pound Aussie. Let me shorten it up. Usually that candle like that get filled in about halfway, maybe even a little bit more. So it could come up into here before it sells off on the pound Aussie. CAD Yen, only looking for sales. It's made a 1 hour sale. But I don't like the looks of these yens. It looks like it's waiting on what's going to happen tonight, the yen pairs. And Euro Yen, yeah, see all that. Now I'm expecting a sale on the Euro Yen. And if it pushes down, that's going to be my stop right there. As a matter of fact, I may get in right now. That stop would be 72.14. And we're trading at 03.11, so it's a $14 risk. That's pretty good. So I may take that one. I won't lose much money. I have to take those when they're there. Aussie Yen has made a sale, but it's not done what it's supposed to do. The setup. So I'm not going to do anything on that. The only ones I'm looking at, of course, I'm in the pound dollar. And I'm looking for the pound New Zealand sell opportunity here. And Euro CAD, pound Aussie, I need a pullback back down into here. Euro Yen, I'm in it now. And that was it, I believe. Everything else, pound CAD, yeah, sideways, even though it's made a sell. It's not a good sell. So that's it for today. I won't have a video tomorrow because tomorrow is Friday. I don't trade on Fridays, so there's no need to do a video. I guess people haven't gone back and watched my videos because they keep asking, why don't you trade on Fridays? I don't trade on Fridays because the big boys don't trade on Fridays. And they ask, how do you know that? All you have to do, you don't have to take my word for it. All you got to do is look at the volume, the daily volume, and it drastically drops off. What reason could it be? It's because the big boys are gone. So that's why. For those who haven't known, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to go to my video. Underneath the video, there's a comment section where you can ask your question or put a comment in there. And I usually will get back to you pretty quick. I will have a video on Monday. So everybody that's in the trades, please monitor them. Move your stops when you can. Like I've showed you. Take your profit. That's up to you. You don't have to follow me. I do a half. You don't have to do that. You got to do what you feel comfortable with. Because it's your trading journey. I do mine in my trading journey. This is your trading journey. You got to do what you feel comfortable with. So, for those of you who haven't subscribed, please do. Only reason I ask is it helps me to know that I'm helping somebody, which I hope I am. I'm getting a couple more subscribers every so often. It's not every week, but I'm not trying to get, Taylor Swift numbers and YouTube numbers. I mean, there's a lot of traders on there, sad to say. These guys, all they do is just try to get you to subscribe and like their channel so they can get paid, and they don't teach you or help you do anything. So I hope you're not falling in for that. There's not a get quick rich in the Forex currencies or futures or anything. There's not. You have to do homework. You have to do your work. There's due diligence to do. So please don't follow anybody who says, they got the Lamborghini and the nice house. I mean, all you got to do is go rent one of those things and pull out one of the out in front, take a quick picture. If it's not a gated community, and get out of there, and don't fall for that crap. So we will see you guys on Monday, and everybody have a good weekend.